Hi everyone and Assalamu alaikum. Maha here with a new series. Get creative at Maha's Shack. Today is the first episode and I will show you how to make an ice cream kit gift hamper. You can theme these according to your occasion. I was making these kits for my new neighbors, so no theme was necessary. You can make it all pink or red for Valentine's Day or turn it into a thank you hamper by adding a thank you note. This video is in collaboration with visionary designer who has designed the special note and the intro outro of this video. Here are the things you will need. One medium-sized mosaic tub, one pack of waffle cones, any caramel or chocolate syrup, 2 packs of Smarties, a pack of ice cream bowls, 1 pack of marshmallows, 1 pack of $5s, a roll of twine, a few sheets of paper which we'll scrunch up to fill the basket, and any gift wrap. We'll also need a special note according to your occasion. This one's made by visionary designer and was made to inform the neighbors that we are moving in and to say sorry for any disturbance. To wrap the gift hamper, we'll need cellophane wrap and 2 different colors of curling ribbon. Here's how to transform these things into a wow-worthy gift hamper. First, we'll scrunch our sheets of paper into round balls and place them in the tub. This will give some height to all the things that we will place in it. Now wrap all the toppings with the twine like you are wrapping a gift with a ribbon. To make it more presentable, you can open the packs and put these toppings in adorable little jars. But with COVID going on, I preferred not to present it without the original packaging. So I kept them as such and wrapped them with the twine. Now use any gift wrap or wrapping paper, preferably a bit shiny, to make your own shredded paper gift fillers. Just roll the paper and cut it into really thin strips. Now open them up to fluff them. Now set the fillers aside and set everything in a tub as such that everything is visible. Add the fillers on top to make it look a bit more decorative. Once the tub is set, make your special note more presentable. I have simply punched the top and bottom of this cardstock with a decorative punch and added a special note in between. As I told you before, this note was designed by a visionary designer. I am putting her logo at the back. This is the final look of the note. Now set the note at the back and reset your things to make it look more presentable. Here's the final look. Isn't it looking adorable with all these little bows? You can gift it like this, but to make it look more presentable, we will wrap it in a cellophane. To make it look more eye-catching, I added some curling ribbon around it. I used 8 strings, tied a knot twice, and then curled them up. There you go, your gift hamper is complete. I also made this gift card to go along with it. These Just Add ice cream gift hampers are perfect for any occasion. Hit that like button if you like this idea of a gift. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And press that bell icon to find out what I'm procrastinating on at Maha Shack. If you're already a subscriber, then thanks a lot for giving me your precious time. I definitely value your likes and comments. Thanks for watching and bye for now.